with my friend Ava, and I'm going to talk to Ava about Ava's brand, and then we're going to hang out with Ava at Astra.
Hello, my name is Ava, also known as Ava the STEM Princess, and a little bit about me before I talk about Team Genius Squad is the reason I started my brand is because back in 2021 I was diagnosed with dyslexia and dysgraphia, which means I really struggle with my reading and math, and it makes it harder for me to learn in the classroom. So I was always getting in trouble when I was being bullied and I didn't have any friends. So I started it to improve myself and really gain confidence from this, you know, to do better and to be better and not to get in trouble all the time because I couldn't understand something, to try harder. So now what I do is I use the kits that I made to help me improve my reading and math, and I use it to help build other kids' confidence and show them even if you have a challenge, you can still be successful in anything you do. A couple of my favorites is my Lemon Light kit, my Wind Power, and then my electricity kits. So this shows kids that the most simplest things you would never think of can make electricity. This is just salt, water, and a little bit of lemon powder. This is carbon right here, the black piece, and the aluminum piece is the silver one. So when you put aluminum and you put carbon together, it creates the electricity. So we put it inside, and it creates that chemical reaction that's making this light turn on. It kind of looks like a little bit of soda fizz. So that's the light, and then we have this one is the fan.
Would you like to walk around Astra with me and tell me what you think is cool and new and exciting?
Yes, I would love to. Crazy earrings. Oh, look, it's the Better Butter. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look how buttery it is. Oh, look at these putties. Mood. Oh, this changes colors with the mood. Oh, this is really cool. It does. It says mood melon, so it like changes colors with heat.
You're here at ZipString. They just won, what category was it? Active Play for their new Arachna. So you may have seen ZipString in its, I don't know, traditional form. And now they have this amazing new Arachna.
This takes the magic of the zip string and puts it on your wrist. So when I go like this, the entire string shoots out. You can step through it. Ready?
Hey, nice. Well done. Well-deserved award.
These are so cute. I thought these were adorable because like you squeeze them like when you work. So it's like a little posture pad. It's like a little desk pad. These are so cute. Tell me this isn't adorable. Look, it's a shark cat.
It's a shark cat.
Oh, so cute.
So this is 30-second dance party, super cool product. We've seen it in a lot of the showrooms that we're in. And now they have an amazing 15-second dance party.
Second dance party.
It is, in fact, kitties meowing. Sometimes the simplest concepts are the best, right? Like you took the Staples Easy button and put 30 seconds of dance music on it, and you got a great product.
Let's go to Crayola.
I would like you to try the acrylic paint marker. It's a brush tip. It's really smooth. It works on multi-surfaces, so it works on glass, tile, flower pots, metal, anything, and it's permanent. So give it a shot. I love it. I have a little example of how bright and vibrant it is.
This is really bright. It's like eye-catching. I really do love these. Oh, I love these. I've seen these before. You like put the scribbles on them and then you wash it off. Little blind box. Oh, that's adorable. So cute. Thank you.
So we're here at Spira Splash. I saw this in Nuremberg, but their booth was always super busy. I never got to play with it. So I'm excited to see it again. Wow, okay. Now I'm going to do Storm.
My favorite.
Wow. That's great. So fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Alex. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
So I wanted to ask you a little bit about these right here. These chairs, they look like chairs. So I don't really know what they are. So I wanted to ask you, what are they?
They can be anything the child wants them to be. We make toys that don't have like a right or wrong way to play, but they're an invitation for kids to explore and discover and use them however they see fit.
So what is this product called?
The name is Bilibo.
Bilibo?
Bilibo, yes.
Where can
Bilibo. How do we think these antennas look?
It's beautiful. It's an important question, Ava and Mr. Alex. Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun. I'm still playing with it. Did you have fun, Mr. Alex?
Yes, we had a lot of fun. Thank you very much for joining.
You're welcome.
Very cool. What's it called? Funscape Floating Fairway. Very cool. Might be a little, I need to get down roll low. Oh, 10. Oh, getting better.
So we're here at the Plush Plush booth. I want to say these ice creams right here are so cool.
If I show you how to make a scoop, do you want to make a scoops tower as tall as you can? And then see if you can hold it up and how long it lasts holding it up in the air. Right now we're at 30 scoops in 13 seconds. Do you think you can beat that record? Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make a scoop and then we'll do the hashtag Scoops Challenge.
All right, guys, we're going to try this. We have 34 scoops and the record is 33. I'm nervous.
Hashtag Scoops Challenge. Ava's got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good try. Did you have fun?
Yes, I had a great time doing this. Even though I didn't get my full seconds, it was fun building this. Thanks, Ava. You're welcome. Thanks for hanging out with me. This was so much fun. Ava out.